Welcome back to the Calculated Risk channel. Today we'll be discussing the stock AMC, which was up about 10%. It's been on fire recently, been recovering a lot. I think it was a one-time $6 stock. Let me see real quick. Let's click on the 1 month chart. A month ago it was at 570, so it's almost doubled, or 100% gain if you bought 570. And ever since the AMC craze, the GameStop craze, it's been going down and then recovered. There's been a lot of great news, as in AMC has enough money to sustain themselves for another year or two. AMC has a lot of reopenings going on because of the vaccine rollout, and a lot of other stuff going on, as in people are allowed to go to watch the movies at the theaters now, which is a good start. Still a long way to go to get the COVID phobia out of the way and get people to return back to normal life, which will take a year, give or take. Probably after vaccines are rolled out and people stop worrying about going outside, then we should see a rapid increase in AMC sales. They did exceed earnings, but the earnings were so bad because there's stuff no one going to the theaters due to COVID. But that should slowly improve over time. Give it a year or two. If AMC can recover, the stock can go back up to all-time highs, maybe 25, 30, if it can. If they can somehow get a way to, get profitable again, recover their losses, get people back to the movie theaters, and that's the main thing right now. They have to focus on that, make it a profitable company, a real company that does not lose as much money as they're losing right now, because they're operating theaters, and they're really stagnant right now because of COVID. Out of any company that gets affected most by COVID, it's like restaurant chains and movie theaters, not tech stocks. So it takes a long time for these movie theater stocks to recover, and it's already started recovering. People are pressing in the fact that, if it's a $11 stock, I believe it's pricing in the fact that these movie chains will open back to normal, and we could see a slight increase. Short term, I have no idea. Long term, we could see, if you buy right now, you could see a couple of dollars per share return, maybe up to $20 per share, if they can prove that they can reopen successfully. Of course, as you know, there's a cult following for the stock, so you have to be careful about that, which is a benefit though, because they can push up the stock price because of how many people are talking about the stock. But if they can, the main thing to focus on is just getting back on track, getting back to normal, hoping that COVID ends soon, as in the pandemic slows down enough for people to return safely. That's the main goal, and they have to reopen in time. So that's pretty much it for AMC. Just hold the bag, hold on. If you're losing money, if you're down, if your average cost $15 something, keep average costing down, and eventually you should see a return. If AMC can prove that they are going to be back in business. All right, I'm out. Be sure to support me on Patreon, patreon.com/calculatedrisk, and you can support me on Twitter, twitter.com/calculatedrisk with a 1 instead of I. So peace.